Greetings to the honorable examiners and respected supervisors. My name is Sabrina and I am from Petroleum Engineering.
Hi, I'm Izzati from Petroleum Engineering Department.
Hi, I'm Eliara from Mechanical Engineering Department and I'll be presenting about the budget and conclusion.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurfarahin and I'm from Chemical Engineering Department.
I am Syed Muhammad Amir Aiman bin Syed Muhammad Azman from Mechanical Engineering Department.
Malaysia's batik industry is one of the fastest growing industries that is widely consumed. However, as the production of batik textile increases, the existence of textile wastewater will also increase. Hence, Bleka is invented for neutralizing and filtering textile waste such as bleach before releasing it to the river. As a result, Bleka can easily reduce water pollution, thus ensuring clean and safe water quality in Sungai Hiluran Terengganu. Our problem statements are the crisis of contamination due to rapid development, wastewater pollution and no 24/7 power supply. And our objectives are eco-friendly design implementation, reducing direct labor and maintenance, and providing 24/7 power supply.
According to Malaysian Investment Development Authority, textile industry in Malaysia is our nation's 30th largest exporting industry. Batik industry alone contributes a lot towards the economic growth in Malaysia according to Sridewi 2011. This industry also produces textile wastewater, which is the most polluting among all industrial sectors such as pharmaceuticals, pulp and paper mill. This comes from the bleaching process. Bleaching process is an essential step in the pre-treatment of textile. Besides of this industry, rapid development also contributes to contamination of the waterway due to indiscriminate garbage disposal.
Survey method is to determine the awareness of public on textile bleach that is released into river without proper filtration process. Question 1 shows more than half of the responses received is not aware the danger of textile bleach. This is mainly because textile pollution is not publicly shown on the news as frequent as the other world pollution. From the previous question, we can see that majority of our respondents are not aware of textile pollution. Therefore, it is explainable why 80% of respondents voted for no because they never heard of textile bleach filtration system.
For data acquisition, the information and data used in this project for calculation of water quality index is based on a Journal of Engineering, Science and Technology case study of analysis of water quality in Sungai Batu Ferringhi. For testing viability of project, the project is viable since the cost of Bleka is worth for a long time run and will affect local communities who live within the area. This is the early sketches of our project Bleka. This is our prototype fabrication from the early stage until we reach the final stage of Bleka invention. The testing of our 3D prototype of Bleka was done by using simulation of Fusion 360. And these are the final product of Bleka, big and small scale. The invention of Bleka met our objective, which are the implementation of eco-friendly design, labor and maintenance will be reduced, and 24/7 power supply will be provided.
The first method is to brainstorm ideas among all team members based on the themes given. Data analysis could be done after collecting surveys on the project for analyzation. Understanding the failures and doing improvisations on the sketches produces a great quality final product. A simple experiment was being set up to observe and calculate whether neutralization process is a success or not. Finally, a final report on the failures and improvements of the project will be reported and submitted by week 12.
Bleach wastewater from textile factory flows into starter pipe. Self-flushing debris filter out fabric scrap to avoid plugging issues. Lucid pipe power system generate electricity by water motion. Neutralizing process in neutralization pipe. Hydrogen peroxide is used to neutralize bleach wastewater. SSSV prevents blowout in case of sudden pressure increase. Industrial reverse osmosis machine cleans from any impurities before releasing into the river. Bleach wastewater from textile factory flows into starter pipe. Microbasket filter filters out fabric scrap to avoid plugging issues. Neutralizing process occur in neutralization pipe. H2O2 tank made out of polyethylene to store hydrogen peroxide. Reverse osmosis system cleans from any impurities before releasing into the river.
ml of both bleach and hydrogen peroxide were measured and pH readings were taken. The two substances will be mixed and a reaction will occur. Gas bubbles will be formed indicating oxygen gas. Once the reaction is done, the pH value will be taken again to be recorded. Based on the byproduct of the equation, salt plus water will form salt water, where desalination is needed using reverse osmosis system. Formula for WQI is stated as shown. The parameters used are dissolved oxygen, biochemical oxygen demand, chemical oxygen demand, suspended solids, ammoniacal nitrogen, and pH value. The classification indicates whether the water is good or bad for you, where Class 1 identified as good and the opposite goes to Class 4. Based on the calculations, the parameters were taken from a research on Sungai Batu Feringgi and Sungai Hiliran. Therefore, it proves that naturalization process is a success to help increase WQI.
Our main targeted users for big-scale Bleka are the DOE and MOSTI. Yes, Bleka might be a little bit pricey, but looking at the bright side, Bleka was created with materials and components that has high durability as well as high damage tolerance. Therefore, Bleka can last up to 30 years without the need of maintenance. Small-scale Bleka is mainly designed for users who run a small textile business at home. However, bleach wastewater are not supposed to enter the septic tank. So this is where small-scale Bleka comes in handy, where it can be connected to the piping system of the house. The price and life expectancy is what makes Bleka stands out even more. By judging the water pollution situation that is getting worse, the government desperately needs a solution. Therefore, Bleka is definitely worth the purchase. In conclusion, Bleka was created by our group with a thought to achieve our objectives, which are to lessen wastewater pollution while the fabric scraps will be filtered using a self-flushing debris filter, and lastly to help marine ecosystems thrive better. Therefore, for future recommendations, laws related to pollution at all levels should be created, as well as using systems that maintains natural resource and energy in order to decrease environmental issues.